My video guide will provide you with instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware, which is called Zzzzz. There are 5 Z letters in the name of this ransomware. Now, the ransomware is from the Scarab ransomware family. Malware within the ransomware classification is designed to encrypt files and demand a ransom for the decryption. I will demonstrate to you what happens with the files. You can now see clearly that before the ransomware attack, we don't see any problems opening any file types, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. However, regretfully, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Zzzzz ransomware may be easily injected into the computer, and then pretty soon people realize that they cannot use their data anymore. So now you can clearly see the consequences, the results of the ransomware attack. You try to open this specific file and you get this message saying that Windows cannot open this type of file with the extension that consists of 5 Z letters. The ransomware tells its victims that they need to pay the ransom for file restoration. By the way, the ransom note is written in the Russian language, which probably means that there are some Russian hackers who stand behind this particular ransomware. So you should not pay the ransom. This does not guarantee that your files would be restored. This is that ransom note formalized in Russian, and unfortunately we can now clearly see that the ransomware has damaged the computer, and sometimes the computer may even restart itself automatically because of the impact of that ransomware. And we recommend you to recover your data through available backups. And the second part of the video will show you how to use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware to protect your computer from ransomware attacks. After you successfully download and install Combo Cleaner antivirus, you will need to select your scan type. In fact, 3 scan types are available. They are Quick Scan, Full System Scan, and Custom Scan. Even though the trial mode only gives you the Quick Scan option. Full Scan and Custom Scan are the parts of the premium license. So to use these 2 scan types, the premium license upgrade is required. So click on Start Scan button in order to detect and identify all sorts of malware, ransomware, and other threats on your computer. While the scanning is in progress, you may experiment with some settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, if you go to the settings and click on Anti-Ransomware tabs, you can add a special folder which will store the files that will be duly protected against ransomware attacks and encryption. So this feature, however, is only the part of the premium license. So you need to wait until the scanning is completed, and at the end of scan you will need to click on the Remove All Threats button. This will help you to get rid of the ransomware type threats and other threats such as adware, browser hijackers, and other kinds of computer infections.